So today, we're comparing the rClone and the rsync, the two powerful file synchronization tools. In rClone, it is a cloud storage synchronization tool with multi-platform support. Its pros are works with various cloud providers, supports encryption, and offers a GUI, which is the graphic user interface. The cons, it may be complex to configure for some beginners. While in rsync, it is a Linux-based tool for syncing files across systems. The pros, it is efficient transfer algorithms, incremental backups, and SSH support. Its cons are it is limited to local and remote file transfers and it is not cloud-specific. In comparison, choose rClone for cloud storage management and choose rsync for efficient local and remote file syncing. In conclusion, use rClone if you need cloud integration and go with rsync if local and remote file transfers are your primary concern.